successful comedy drama Tacoma FD co-created Kevin Heffernan and Steve Lemme is set in America's rain-stressed city Tacoma in Washington. The story follows the activities of the firehouse crew in this very location, but the issue is that the wet surroundings do not offer scope for many fires. With nothing much to do, the firefighters are doomed to face continuous boredom. Hi, I'm Sapna. Welcome to our channel US News Box, and let's start the video now. Tacoma FD Season 2 premiered on March 26, 2020 on truTV. It ended with its 13th episode on September 3, 2020. The second outing progressed to become more successful than its inaugural installment, boasting season-over-season rating growth. As a result, in August 2020, the show was renewed for its third outing. Brett Waits, general manager of TBS, TNT, and truTV, confirmed the news in a statement. "We couldn't be more proud of the work this team has achieved season after season. With Tacoma FD's fan base continue to grow, this show is a huge success story for us, and we can't wait to see what kind of season 24 Shayna Gisas, Kevin, Steve, and the incredible cast come up with next." Creators and stars Kevin Heffernan and Steve Lemme have already confirmed that they have started work on scripts for the upcoming season. However, due to the COVID-19 shutdowns, which have made several locations inaccessible, the filming schedule has changed. This means that in the third outing, we will miss several of the family's backdrop showcased in the previous two seasons. Additionally, with the travel plans currently on a halt and the scripting season are being held online, Heffernan and Lemme have stated in an interview that writing for the new episode will wrap up in the upcoming 3 months. The duo did mention that the outlines for the first 5 episodes are almost ready, so its filming commences towards the beginning of the next year. We can expect Tacoma FD Season 3 to premiere sometime in the later half of 2021. The new season will consist of 13-hour episodes. The entire story of Tacoma FD revolves around the firefighter houses in Station 24 in Tacoma, Washington. Headlining the cast is Kevin Heffernan as Chief Terry McConaughey and Steve Lemme as Captain Eddie Pennisi. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please hit that red subscribe button, as your love and support is the only source of our energy.